Forgot to add music to your Instagram post? No worries, you can still add a song after posting. Here's how to do it step by step. First, open the Instagram app. Tap on your profile icon in the bottom right. Find the post where you want to add music. Tap the three dots in the top right corner of the post. From the menu, select Edit. At the top of the edit screen, tap Add Music. Instagram will now show you a list of available songs. Search or browse and select the song you want. Adjust the part of the song you want to play. Pick the section and duration that fits your post. Tap Done. Tap Done again at the top to save. And that's it. The song is now added to your existing Instagram post. Follow and subscribe for more Instagram tips.